So guys, I am off to the gym. I just want to show you my nice new gym outfit that I got from Shein. I really love it. And as you can see, I got my makeup all done. So yeah guys, I'm about to head to the gym and I will catch you guys later. Bye. So after the gym, I love to make my sourdough egg and toast with avocado. As you all know, it's one of my favorite lunch. I like using the Jason sourdough bread, which gives it a really nice crunch to it, and the almond milk I use is the Alfro unsweetened. So I love using the Celtic Sea Salt, which has so many good healthy benefits for you. This has lots of trace minerals. And then I also like to top it off with black pepper, sesame seeds and parsley. So to top it off, I like to use fruits on the sides with blueberries and slice of apples, and there you have it, your post-workout sourdough egg and toast with avocado. And be sure to check out this recipe on my blog website. Anyway guys, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Bye guys!